Removing these tiny onion seeds from the flower is really a tedious job. But when I look at these tiny seeds, I wonder, this nature is so wonderful. See, such tiny seeds can produce the fruits or vegetables that are of many times bigger in size. Not only size, they have got their own taste, their own color, and they have got so much nutrition. When the onion plants have grown 6 to 8 inch in height, I transplanted them to a grow bag which is having the compost. Since these onions have to grow underneath, soil that we use should be very flowy, they should not be very compact. So what I did is I decided to use the compost